In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily half swipe on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Snapchat and then tap right here at that chat's icon to head over to our conversations list. Snapchat Trick allows us to read any message without marking that message as read. All we have to do is just tap at someone's profile picture and then drag our finger to the right, just like so. I'm just gonna find a conversation with messages. And that's how we can easily read messages in a particular conversation, and nobody, the recipient, won't be able to know that we read them. Keep in mind that you shouldn't lift off your finger, because if we lift off our finger, it will mark the messages as read. All you have to do is just swipe it to the right, and then once you read it, swipe it back to the left. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.